the back seat. The generous feeling. We'll take to the back seat. Let's kick up.
Dari Indonesia untuk dunia.
In the back seat.
She's so hot, she's a scorpion, killing me softly, Lauren or Kevorkian. Couldn't tell if she's cuckoo or corky when asked her name and she said, call me 10.